Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on seeing your activity records on the Huawei Band 8. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Press the side button to open the app menu. Then scroll down and tap Activity Records. Here you can see your activity records for today. You can see your activity records for other days on the Huawei Health app. Open the app and make sure that you are on the Health tab. Then tap on the activity rings at the top of the page. Here you can see your activity for today and scroll down to see all of your activity information. At the top of the page, you can select a different day to see your activity records for. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Huawei Band tips and tricks.